Hi friends, in this video I would be showing my Redmi OTG settings, how to solve OTG connection problems. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, tap on about phone. So here you can see miui version. Here we need to tap 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You are now a developer. Go back, then go down, go to additional settings, go down. Under additional settings we can see developer options. Select it, then go down. So these are the developer options. From this list we need to find this networking section, and here if you go down we can find default USB configuration. Tap here. So here we need to select file transfer. Select it, then go back and test. Now we can test the OTG. This should work. So this way we can solve OTG connection problem. So please check it.